So we're finally gonna start working on Rob's MR2. And we've done a lot to it already. Well, not too much either, right, Rob? We haven't done too much. He nodded no. I'll let you know what we have done so far. Rob's gotten new wheels and tires for it. We did control arms, so you can see, from Techno Tuning. No, Techno Toy Tuning. They do a lot of older cars. A lot of those older cars that don't have like OEM support anymore, they make them. Rob's also got a fender because when we bought the car didn't have the fender on because I got into a crash and everything. And that leads me to the other thing. We had to take it to a shop to get that fixed. The control arm bolt going into the chassis was bent, and the threading into the chassis as well was completely like shattered. So we had to take it to a shop and get that fabricated and everything. Right now we have it on all 4 jacks. It's been like this for a while now, but that's because we're trying to get the fuel system working. We have the fuel tank out and we put in, as you can see, that's the old fuel pump. So we put in the new fuel pump and we just need a new hose. Show me the hose. We gotta find a hose that is this size in diameter, because as we were putting it all back together, the filler neck broke. So that's where we're currently standing at right now. We're gonna go get that hose. Hopefully we can find one, because it was hard finding just this one that kind of worked. So we'll see. So that was like a month ago, that video. And now we're here today, finally gonna work on the MR2. Look at that, ooh. We got the hose, genuine too. Didn't know they still made them. We're gonna put this on the gas tank and put it all back together and put some gas in it. After that, she should be running, hopefully, right? You can see here, this is the old one that Mr. Luis broke.
Perhaps.
It's all hard and crusty.
And that's the new one.
Unlike this one, shit, this shit is soft, bendy. It looks bigger too.
Well, this is half.
But like, no, it still looks bigger though.
Yeah, oh yeah.
You know what I mean?
Girth.
Yeah.
Girth wise, yeah.
Crazy. More fuel. And this is just to put the gas in the tank. You know, it's not like it's not like a mod or anything. Or
Sure it is. You fill up quicker.
oh, I guess not. More gas in the gas tank means faster, right?
I'm gonna just like test fit it, I guess. I forget how much I hate working with this one.
Right? Every time we come back, we're like, oh yeah,
Let's work on it.
yeah. And then we're here and then like, oh shit.
Crap.
Yeah. I love working on this car.
Oh yeah. Yeah, dude. And we'll just bend over.
Mm-hmm.
And then rip.
Rip. Once again. Put on the tank. Wow. It's like, it fits.
It's like it was made for this.
You want to leave it on the tank and then?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, so let's clamp it up then. Let me loosen this clamp.
Should.
I remember you said you wanted to connect everything onto the tank and then it's easier to.
That's what I'm thinking of doing right now.
Got the hose clamp on now here for the hose.
Yeah.
So now we're gonna put the gas tank in the car. That's what we're doing.
So gas. You put it more forward or is that it? Get stuck. Hold on. Go back. Go back. Stuck on something.
There's that spider in here. Cool. Did you kill it?
I did.
Thanks, bro. You saved my life.
Put one on.
We got it in, boys.
Supposedly.
Supposedly.
Allegedly.
We got the tiny hoses in. I don't know if you can see.
Yeah, they're right there.
Rob, let go of my phone. Rob, let go. So we got it in.
As much as we can.
We got 2 hoses in. One is kind of there. We're hoping no leak. So let's continue. All right, we gotta get the rest of the hoses on. You got it, Luis, right?
Yeah. Easy.
Easy.
5 hours later.
You good, Rob?
Who the fuck is that?
Where? We are on our way. We're getting close to finishing here. We've connected the 2 smaller hoses are all the way up there. You can see maybe. And Luis got the filler neck on right now, and this other hose, just dangling in front. This hose right here. So now we gotta connect this main line here, and then that empty line right there. So not too bad, just 2 more hoses. Stop kicking me, fool. Once we get this all connected, we're gonna go fill up tanks right there and put some gas in her. Start her up. First time ever. Oh, right here.
With 2.5.
What do you think? 5 or 2?
Put it in the comments. After we're done.
Yeah. We just finished. Well, mostly Luis, I'll be honest.
No, we didn't.
It was a we did it. We finished putting all the fuel lines back on and connecting all the hoses that we need to. Now, we gotta get gas. Off to the petrol station to get petrol. Damn, 439. 455. That's a lot. Oh, 2.5, okay? Bet. Hey, open the door. Okay, I don't remember what connects to what. Oh, put it in, bro. Stick it in. Bro, that's leaking. Okay, dog. Content. True, thank you. But we were gonna get this shit in. Wow. Yeah, no, okay. Switch. Drink up, baby. You need it. Yo, we can't even open it now. Hell yeah. Connect the battery terminal. Ready? Is everything connected over here? Yeah, I connected this one.
And wasn't there another one that connected?
And then this one I connected. This one looks like it's for this bad boy. So I think we're good now. So unfortunately, battery is dead. We did all this work for a dead battery. So right now I have it charging as much as we can. We're gonna go get some food and come back to it. Hopefully it's charged somewhat and maybe we can get a crank out of it. So battery dead.